Yoga for erectile dysfunction. Brilliant yoga poses to remedy it and boost sex drive in men. One. Kumbhakasana. Plank pose. Lie down flat on the ground, with the stomach in contact with the floor. Place both hands on either side of the face near the forehead and ears, with the palms facing down and fingers close to one another. Raise both feet together, keeping the tips of the toes on the ground. Using the momentum of both hands, inhale deeply and lift the upper body, i.e. torso, along with the hips and thighs to a comfortable height from the ground. Keep the feet parallel to the surface of the floor like in a plank workout and remain in this posture for 30 to 60 seconds. Then exhale and gradually come back to the ground. 2. Dhanurasana. Bow pose. Lie flat on the ground with the stomach facing downwards. Place both legs a few inches apart and let the arms be by the side of the body. Exhale and bend the knees upwards, bringing it closer to the body and holding it tight with both hands. Breathe in slowly and raise the torso and chest from the ground. Drag both legs closer to the raised torso. Look directly forward from both eyes and retain this position for up to 30 seconds. Then slowly breathe out and come back to the flat position on the floor. 3. Uttanapadasana. Raised leg pose. Begin by lying down flat with the back to the ground. Keep both hands close to the body by the sides and feet placed together. Breathe in deeply and raise both legs simultaneously off the ground. Initially lift it to a 30-degree angle from the floor and bring it back to the surface. Then elevate the height, bringing it to 60 degrees, back down again, and then finally 90 degrees. Hold this pose for 20 seconds, then exhale and gently relax the body, coming back to the initial position of lying flat on the back. 4. Paschimottanasana. Seated forward bend. Sit down on a flat, even surface on the floor. Stretch both legs completely forward, with the feet pointing directly upwards. Inhale deeply and raise both arms over the head. Then breathe out and curve the body forwards to try and touch the knees, maintaining a comfortable posture of the spine. Hold the big toes with the thumb and index finger of both hands. Stay in this posture for 10 seconds, then gradually release the hands, lift the torso and come back to the initial seated position. 5. Naukasana. Boat pose. Start by lying down flat on the ground, with the back facing downwards. Place both arms by the sides of the body. Slowly inhale and exhale for a few cycles to regulate breathing patterns. Then simultaneously raise your upper body off the ground, while lifting both feet above. Place both hands directly forward, stretched out between the body and knees. Stay in this position resembling a boat for at least 5 minutes to attain improved muscle flexibility and balance. Exhale and relax the body, gradually bring it back to the ground. While regularly practicing the Naukasana, increase the time of holding the boat pose from 5 minutes to 20 minutes, to attain the maximum benefits of this exercise and vastly improve